Most drivers think they know their cars inside and out. But what if I told you your car has been hiding secrets from you this whole time? I'm talking about built-in features that can save you time, protect your car, and even make you look like a car genius in front of your friends. These features are so underrated that most people drive for years without even realizing they exist. In this video, we are going to uncover 10 game-changing car features that most drivers never heard about. Stick until the end, because this video will completely change the way you look at your car. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Emergency fuel door release. Most drivers don't realize that their car has an emergency fuel door release. Imagine pulling into a gas station, and for some reason, the fuel door refuses to open. It's one of those moments that can turn a quick fuel stop into a full-blown nightmare. Maybe the locking mechanism is stuck, or the car battery is dead, leaving the fuel door sealed shut. But guess what? Most cars secretly come with an emergency release for this exact situation. This release is usually hidden inside the trunk or behind a small panel near the fuel filler area. It might be a pull tab, a cable, or even a little lever, all designed to manually open the fuel door when electronics fail. It's one of those features most drivers never know about until they desperately need it. Secret number 2. Auto-dimming. Rear view mirror. Driving at night can often be uncomfortable when bright headlights from the car behind you reflect directly into your eyes through the rearview mirror. That's exactly why many modern cars come equipped with auto-dimming rearview mirrors. These mirrors use built-in sensors to detect when bright lights hit them from behind. When triggered, they automatically darken to reduce glare, allowing you to drive more comfortably and safely. Some higher-end models even have side mirrors that auto-dim along with the rear-view mirror, providing full glare protection. It's one of those small luxury features that quietly improves your night driving experience without you even realizing how much it helps. Secret number 3. Fuel gauge arrow. Here's one of the simplest but smartest hidden features sitting right in front of your eyes, and most drivers have no idea it even exists. Ever pulled up at a gas station and had that awkward moment trying to remember which side your fuel tank is on? But guess what? Your car has been telling you the answer all along with the tiny fuel tank arrow indicator right on your dashboard. That arrow points to the side of your car where the fuel filler cap is located. It's an incredibly useful feature, especially if you're driving a rental car or a new vehicle you're unfamiliar with. Instead of awkwardly pulling up to the wrong side of a fuel pump, you can glance down and instantly know which side to use. Car manufacturers added this little trick to save drivers from unnecessary hassle at gas stations. Secret number 4. Kill switch. Now the kill switch is one of the coolest hidden features most car owners don't even realize exists. It's like having your own secret security system built right into your car. A kill switch is a hidden device installed in many vehicles, especially older models or cars in high-theft areas. And its job is to completely disable the engine even if a thief manages to get inside your car and tries to start it. This switch can be hidden anywhere under the dashboard, beneath the seat, or inside the glove box. It interrupts the fuel supply or cuts the electrical circuit and makes it impossible for the engine to start unless you flip the switch back on. It's basically your car's secret weapon against theft. And unless someone knows exactly where it is, they'll never figure it out. Secret number 5. Panic button on key fob. Most drivers know that their key fob has a panic button, but very few understand its full potential. It's not just there for when you feel threatened in a parking lot. The panic button can also help you locate your car in a crowded parking area, especially if you've forgotten where you parked. Pressing the button will set off the car's alarm and lights, helping you find it quickly. But even beyond that, some manufacturers program the panic button to act as an emergency distress signal. For example, rapidly pressing the panic button can alert security services if your car is connected to an emergency assistance system. It can also scare off potential thieves or suspicious individuals loitering near your car. Secret number 6. Rain-sensing wipers. Rain-sensing wipers are one of the most underrated features hidden in many modern cars. Most drivers simply turn on their wipers manually without realizing their car may have automatic sensors built right into the windshield. Rain-sensing wipers work using tiny sensors usually placed near the rearview mirror on the windshield. These sensors detect the presence and intensity of water droplets hitting the glass. Once activated, the system will automatically adjust the speed of your wipers depending on how heavy or light the rain is. Light drizzle, slow wipe. Heavy downpour, fast wipe. And it happens without you lifting a finger. This is incredibly helpful during unpredictable weather, or when you're driving on highways where spray from other cars hits your windshield. This not only provides added convenience, but also keeps your focus on driving without being distracted by constantly adjusting wiper speeds. Secret number 7. Starting car with a dead remote. Modern car key fobs are packed with convenience, allowing you to unlock doors, start your car, and even open the trunk with the push of a button. The key fob contains 2 RFID systems, active and passive. The active RFID is the one you use daily. This system relies on a battery to unlock doors or open the trunk. But here's the kicker. If your remote's battery dies, your car isn't completely useless. That's when the passive RFID system plays a vital role. Your fob's chip is passive, meaning it doesn't require its own power to work. Instead, it draws power from the car's reader, typically inside the start button. To use it, just hold the remote close to the ignition sensor about an inch away, and you can start your car, even with a dead battery in your remote. Knowing this trick can save you a lot of stress, but you might not realize it until you've worked with cars for a while. Secret number 8. Road condition indicator. The road condition indicator is one of the most impressive hidden features in modern cars, especially in high-end or newer models. This system uses sensors and advanced technology to detect current road conditions and display warnings or recommendations directly on your dashboard or infotainment screen. It often appears as a little snowflake icon or a warning that says ice or low temp, and believe me, it's much more important than people realize. This smart feature is designed to warn you when road conditions might be dangerously slippery, even if you can't see it. It activates automatically when the outside temperature drops near freezing, usually around 37 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius. Here, the question is, why it activates on that specific temperature? Because that's the danger zone where black ice can form. A lot of drivers ignore this warning because the road looks clear, but that's exactly when accidents happen. The road condition indicator doesn't guess. It uses outside temperature sensors and weather conditions to warn you before you hit an icy patch or slippery surface. Secret number 9. Secret key slot. The secret key slot is one of those hidden car features that most people don't even realize exists until they desperately need it. Modern cars often come with keyless entry systems and push-button start technology, making traditional keys seem obsolete, and you can't unlock your car. That's exactly why manufacturers cleverly hide a physical key slot on most vehicles, but they don't make it obvious. Almost all key fobs hide a physical key inside them. Yes, it's usually tucked inside the fob like a secret weapon. And your car's door handle often has a hidden key slot you can use to unlock the door manually. Some even hide the slot under a plastic cap for extra security. This little-known feature can save you from getting stranded when your key fob fails. Secret number 10. Cruise control. Cruise control is a feature that many drivers know about, but very few realize how advanced and helpful it has quietly become in modern cars. At its most basic level, cruise control allows you to maintain a set speed on the highway without keeping your foot on the gas pedal. But what many drivers don't know is that today's cruise control systems often come with hidden features that take comfort, safety, and convenience to a whole new level. Some vehicles are equipped with adaptive cruise control, which uses radar and sensors to automatically adjust your speed based on the distance to the car in front of you. If the traffic slows down, your car will slow down too, and when the road clears, it speeds back up to your preset speed. On top of that, certain models even offer stop-and-go functionality, meaning your car can come to a complete stop in traffic and resume driving automatically without you doing anything. That's all for this video. These are the most valuable car features about that most drivers don't know. And if you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to fuel up your car knowledge even more. See you in the next video.